Valued viewers, here is Vishalakshi Rajapantala and you are watching Learn Stock Market Day Trading YouTube channel. Earlier this channel is named with Trading Tricks for Indices YouTube channel. Recently I have changed the name and I am thrilled to have you join us for informative and insightful discussions on the latest trends and strategies in the stock market. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting out, we are decided to providing valuable content that will help you navigate the dynamic world of day trading. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purpose only. Now, the topic is 3 unique habits that profitable traders tend to have here. Now, the 3 unique habits every profitable trader is having, I'm going to discuss in this video. Those are strict risk management, patience, and continuous learning. These habits are not only factors that contribute to profitable trading, but they are common among successful traders. By adopting these habits and including them into your trading routine, you may be able to improve your trading results and achieve greater success in the markets. Now, let's discuss one by one all these three. Let me tell you with the examples also. Now I want to tell you what is a strict risk management. Profitable traders tend to have strict risk management rules that they follow consistently. Yes, they follow strict management rules very consistently day by day basis. They have a clear understanding of how much they are willing to risk on their each trade and have specific stop loss orders in place there limit their losses. If the trade goes against them, this stop loss will save them. This helps them to minimize their losses and preserve their trading capital, not losing much capital on a single day. Now, the second one is the patience. Profitable traders tend to be very patient and disciplined. They wait for high probability trading opportunities to arise and avoid taking impulsive trades based on emotions or the market noise. They have a well defined trading plan and stick to it even when the market is volatile or unpredictable. The third one is the continuous learning. Profitable traders are always learning and improving their skills, even though they have the experience for 2, 3, 4, 5 days. They always learn and improve their skills with respect to psychology or some new trading in new concepts like for example they are learning some new things like RSI, Camarilla pivot points, or any non-directional trading strategies. Study the markets, read trading books, attend webinars and seminars, and analyze their own trades to identify areas of improvement. They are very open-minded and willing to adapt their strategies to changing market conditions. They know that trading is a continuous learning process and they invest their time and effort to stay on top of their game. These habits are not only factors that contribute to profitable trading, but they are common among successful traders. Try to adapt these habits and include them in your trading routine. You may be able to improve your trading results and achieve greater success in your trading career. Now, let's get into the video and I will explain all these three with examples in the charts. First, I want to explain what is strict risk management. Yes, I will tell you one thing. Risk management includes losing how much they are losing in the live market. They are predefined situations in their mind. Whether this happens, I will do it. That happens, I will do that. Or something else happens, they will do that. There is a specific risk oriented plan in their mind. They follow this everyday basis. Okay, the strict risk management includes they have to lose, for example I'm saying they have to lose at minimum, they have to lose maximum 2% in their capital. Once they reach the 2%, once they reach the 2% limit, they will just leave the monitor and stay away the markets because they don't want to lose all their trading capital in a single day. Novice traders tend to have emotional attachment with the markets. By losing their money, they wanted to take money from the markets, so they are taking revengeful trades and losing their huge amount of money in a single day. For example, when you are trading with 1 lakh rupees, you have to lose 2,000 rupees per day. Once you trigger that 2000 rupees limit, you have to get back to your other things like learning new system or something like that. You should not stay in front of the monitor or just staying in the terminal or to take the trade like Kotak Securities or something else what you are using. So 2% when you lost, just get a, they just get out of the trade and they do some other things. And I'm going to tell you the risk reward, the risk management with respect to the charts here. So here on this particular day, doing your pre-market analysis, you are bullish with Bank Nifty and you want to take the trade at CPR, assuming you know the CPR points concept. Those who don't know about CPR points, I will explain it to you. CPR is the strong support when price stays above it, and when price stays below it, it is the strong resistance. And you know that you want to take the trade here, and you are aiming for at least 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward. And as you plan your trade, the first 5-minute candle is showing a bullish candle. Even though it is a red body, it is a bullish candle because the long wicks indicates that from here onwards there are buyers present over here. So this is the bullish candle, and you know that your trade is going to be successful today. And top successful traders don't enter at this point of time because they have the predetermined stop loss in their mind. Once they see after the close of this candle, they want the price to come to their location to get reasonable stop loss points. For example, I will explain my way of doing things here. Actually, I want to lose every single time 40 points in the spot chart. This is the spot chart. In this spot chart, I place my stop loss below 40 points only, or else 40 to 45 points, not more than that. And I came to this conclusion after backtesting the system of CPR pivot points. And if at all I do this on that particular day, as I was a profitable trader, and I wait to take the trade at my location because I want the risk reward should be really favorable. Once I enter here, I have to put the stop loss below this area. This is the entry and this is the stop loss somewhere here, and this is the SL, and this is a big stop loss for me, and I want at least 40 points stop loss. So I wait to take the trade. This is the form of strict risk management. They wait to take the trade at this point because in the spot chart it is 40 points, around 40 points. If I see here 250, around it is 250 area. This red line is 250 area. What is this blue line? 213 area. Around 40 points, more or less 40 points. So I want the price to come at this point, and I place the stop loss below this CPR, bottom CPR line, because many times there is a possibility that the price comes here, or even it comes still here. If the price comes still here, there is greater probability to push the price like this because there are many buyers present over here at this point of time because it is in the uptrend. So once I enter at this area, I put my stop loss below this bottom CPR and I wait to take my profit at least 1:2 risk reward. 1:3 is very nice, but 1:2 very prominent in day trading. Okay, this is the example for strict risk management. For example, the price came till here and triggers my stop loss. I just wait to take another trade, and I'm not going to take revengeable trades uh, in the market. So because revenge is something like suicidal in the markets. In life also, just ignore the negativity and do your work. Revengefulness is just like you getting yourself into some more problems. So ignore them. Now the second one is the patience. Profitable traders tend to be patient and disciplined. They wait for high probability trading opportunities. Arise and avoid taking impulsive trades based on emotions or market noise. They have a well defined trading plan and stick to it even when the market is volatile and unpredictable. Now, what is the meaning for the patience? Yes, there are millions of probabilities over there in the stock markets with respect to day trading, swing trading, positional trading, investment, something like that. But you have to pick your way of doing things and stick to that plan with patience. Okay? Now I will explain it with to you in the charts. What is the patience here? Now I will take you to some charts and I will check for any example to explain you the word of patience. Where is it? Please be patient. I want to explain it with the charts because when you see the charts with in a right way, you are going to learn in the right way. For example, this is the downtrend day. I want to be bearish in the market, and I know that this first 5 minute candle is showing the bearishness. And if I enter as a profitable trader, as a successful trader, if you enter here, this should be your stop loss. Okay, this should be your target. But if you enter here, where would you place your stop loss? Above this entry candle? But as per the CPR attracts the price and rejects the price. Once you enter here and you place your stop loss here, what if the price comes here and takes your stop loss? Because the price tends to attract the CPR. The CPR tends to attract the price. So here comes the patience. This is going to be a bearish day, but you have to put your stop loss above this area, at least above this area, because the bottom CPR is tend to reject the prices here. So if you are bearish, you have to put your stop loss somewhere here and you have to enter somewhere at this point. Okay, at this point, here comes the patience. Sometimes the price goes something like this, but we can't do anything at such days. But what we can control is ourselves only in the market. So you have to wait, you have to mark what price you want to enter. For example, I want to enter at this place. Luckily on this day the price has came here and you executed the trade, which is a successful trade. Okay, there are lots of factors to consider here. This is called patience. As per your system, you have to stay in the markets without doing anything. Literally, it's a very boring day it could be, but you have to adopt to this way of trading. Now the third one is, I hope you understand what is the patience here. This maybe you are using some other indicators or you are a non-directional trader. No problem at all. According to your system, according to your back testing results, you have to take the trade without impulsive decisions. This is the stepping stone to your profitable trading. Once adapt one by one. First, for first one month, you have to allow yourself to implement a strict risk management as per your system. In the next month, you have to implement the patience. Like this way, improve yourself day by day. The third one is continuous learning. Profitable traders are always learning and improving their skills. They study the markets, read trading books, attend webinars, seminars, analyze their own trades, identify areas of improvement. They are very open minded. And continuous learning in the sense, when you learn about CPR pivot points, like in my case, don't just sit with that CPR pivot points. Whenever you think like that, I learned a system and that's it, I'm going to make money in the market. No, nothing like that. If you don't have that type of mindset, like learning mindset, this is not suitable for you. You have to learn day by day, because there is millions and trillions of information coming into this area of stock market. So you have to update yourself as per your ability, or as per your needs. Once you learn about CPR pivot points, keep it one side of your brain that, and learn another system like Camarilla pivot points or any non-directional strategies like strangles or straddles or something like that. Once you do that, you can mingle these directional and non-directional trading styles into your own style. Making this your own style means you can get more money, or you can get less stop loss area. So always keep learning and attend some webinars or some seminars. And one more important thing is, do trading journal every single day, even though you trade or you didn't trade. Because trading journal is something like accounts maintaining ledger. Once you are doing some business, you have to enter how much money you put on that particular day, how much raw material, something like that, you put on that particular day, what is the sales on that day. Everything you have to maintain, because you have to know at the end of the year what has happened in the last 1 year. And if you know this, you can improve yourself by taking precautionary things about the markets. Because when you see a particular pattern that is repeating, for example, if you see here, I will explain it with the charts. If you see here, in this case, when you are entering the trade somewhere here and putting your stop losses at here, as per my backtesting data, at such times your stop loss triggering is very high. So when you maintain the journal, you put your stop loss at this point, because there is a greater probability that stop losses didn't trigger at this area. This is the example. There are a lot more. This is like ocean, and you can't explain everything here. So profitable traders, three important habits here. They know that trading is a continuous learning process, and they invest their time and effort to stay on their game. Yes, they are really very learning mindset. They are having learning mindset. I hope you learned about three unique profitable traders mindset here. I suggest you to apply one of the thing at a time. You can't apply everything every day, because you need to train your mind with these things. First apply this for 20 days, this one, next 20 days, next 20 days. By the end of 6 months, with your system, you're able to get money. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time to me. If at all you want to learn any systems or indicators like CPR pivot points, Camarilla pivots, or money zone or RSI, you can contact me. I will give you the webinar link. Thank you so much for watching videos.